This is a brand new 2013 GMC Sierra 3500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 6.6-liter V8. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a limited slip differential, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a premium sound system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a driver airbag, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.